First things first, I'm going to make a copy of my image and I'm going to hide one. So make sure you select the layer and go to select, choose subject. So we are going to select this subject so that we remove the background. So after selecting, we just click on the layer mask to remove the background, as simple as that. Then you click on the layer of the image. Then you select the marquee tool and you're going to create at least a simple part where you're going to stretch. So after selecting, you just hold Ctrl+J to make a copy on another layer. So that's the same thing. Then you hold Ctrl+J to make a layer copy of that part you've selected. So now those are the parts that we have selected and we are going to stretch them. So I'll click on the first one and I'm going to click on the move tool. So I'm going to hold Ctrl+T to activate the transformation controls. Then I will hold Shift to stretch it out like so. So now we are done. I think you can see they are. So they look clean. So now we are going to move or to merge them. So you have to join them. Just click on it and move it so that you can join them. So now we are going to select all the layers. So we are going to merge them. I want them on the same layer. So just hold Shift and then you click on the layers. Then you go to right click and click on merge. So I'm going to move this below my image and I'm going to go to filter. So I'm going to apply the effect. So go to distort and I'll make sure it is rectangular to polar and I will click OK. So the next thing we are going to adjust a little bit, apply some transformation. So to activate you have to hold Ctrl+T to activate. So now for you to transform this properly you need to hold Shift so that you can adjust at least to form like a perfect circle. So now I think that is fine. So I'm going to get rid of the other part on the left. So now when I'm done, I'm going to create a layer mask. So I'll click on the layer mask and I'll make sure I'm going to pick my brush. So and I'll make sure it is black. The fill color is black. So adjust a little bit of the size and I'm going to change the brush tool to soft round brush and I'll increase the hardness to 100, even the flow 100. So I want this to be sharp. So let's get rid of this. We are done. So the next thing, yeah, that is beautiful. So at least we want to apply some shadow. Yes, some shadow so that it affects the part, maybe the stretched part. So now I'm going to go to the layer and I'll select it, go to FX, click on drop shadow and then you're going to follow the settings. So once you're done you can now click OK and that is beautiful. So now we are going to right click on the effects and we are going to create a separate layer of that shadow. So now you can see the layer has been created and now we will click on the mask. Remember we get our blush and remember our opacity is 100, flow is 100 and even the hardness is 100. So we are going to get rid of the other part on the left. So let's do this. I think that is fine. So the rest, just go on and practice. You can refine. So just adjust a little bit of flow so that you can make that shadow smooth on our stretch part Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button, and you can also find this file in the description. You can try it out. Thank you for watching. Peace.